Yo, what you saying, what you saying, what you saying? It's Misha and Trisha Carras, 2022, coming at you with some brand. We are back! No filters on our faces, no filters on our faces. And yeah, as you can see, today's special guest on my brothers, it's JJ, it's Josiah. Got Josiah on the camera. He didn't want to do it, but he's doing it. So yeah, as I said in the intro, today we're trying some American things. These are American.
Yeah, but
these are Thailand things.
We're going to try them anyway, yeah?
Yeah, man.
So, we have... What is?
Big worm.
A worm attack. A giant bloody worm. So, we'll do that first, Misha.
You want it?
Yeah.
You two gonna say yo? Because they owe you know.
Say hello, Josiah.
Yo.
How's this work?
Oh my god. It's just one big worm, you know. Ugh, I'm going to die.
Why are you gonna die? It's a sweet.
Yeah, it's too much.
Why are you opening like that?
Because Georgie is
I
back.
think
Actually, oh, look at that, Misha. I think that would last us forever. Okay.
Oh
is
my
it soggy? Okay then.
What's the
blue one?
Tip round, blue. There you go, here. Okay, I have the first.
You want to try the blue side or do you want to try the orange side?
It's absolutely so flavourless, it's ridiculous. It's got no flavour to it whatsoever. None.
Which side do you want to try?
I'll try the other side.
See, Jake is like, nah. Looks like the glizzy.
Fair enough. Oh my god.
I don't like that, do you?
That's alright.
Oh.
Yeah, I like that smell.
Do you like it?
Yeah, smell.
Have you had Shirley Pea yet?
How are you getting on?
Why? Don't sound gummy. Me and Jeremiah, sorry, Josiah. I get it out right now.
Of these is a ginormous gummy bear, strawberry and blue raspberry flavour. JJ's still going for. Do you want to open both of them?
No.
No? What flavour's yours?
Same as yours, I think.
Why's it gone green?
With bloody hell, go to the shop and buy it on these. Come on
What is
now.
this?
What about the minute?
Allow it.
What is it?
Look, this, yeah?
Get your fangs into it. Is it nice?
Yeah, let's try it.
Oh my, it's actually
I want to eat it.
yeah, you were.
Yeah, let's go to the bottom bit though.
God.
Why is everything so big in America? It's ridiculous.
Oh.
So you got to... You have it, you... Good flavour, like.
Yeah, that's nice. I like that. The green side.
Put it on my teeth.
No, cool. Not nice at all. Right, what I'm ready to get into, actually, is Twinkies. You know, what they...
How do you guys eat that stuff?
It's horrible, isn't it?
It's nasty, man.
Why you got the mixed berry ones?
Well, I've never had these before. Have you?
Let's get the normal ones.
So we're going to have a Twinkie each, yeah? Shall we shower, Misha?
Yeah, can't knock them.
Twinkie bears are just nasty.
Mixed berry Twinkies.
Twinkie, yeah.
I'm just not sure I'm not going to walk whatever.
You think?
They smell nasty.
Not too bad. In fact, when it actually back, it was quite nice. No?
Yeah, that's
Don't
a
drink
good
fire.
Why does it smell like that?
I know.
Wait, Mum.
Do you like it or not? Then we're going to try.
That's a bit dirty.
Things and eat it.
I don't know.
We're going to try.
By the way, guys, hold on before Mum shows you them.
Nibbles.
We're joining you all the way from Cornwall.
Yes, we are on holiday.
Cornwall.
What are they?
These are snowballs. They are coconut and marshmallow covered chocolate cake with a creamy
I
filling.
don't like this a lot, I think.
I don't like coconut, so...
Round the way.
I hate it.
Stink.
I've got chocolate in my mum.
Marshmallow.
Not bad, don't try it. It's quite nice to try it, honestly. Try it. Take the other thing out you got. You still eating jammy?
I'm not. That's all good.
They're quite nice, I quite like them. No? What do you think? Everybody's faces telling me different stories. Try it. JJ, give that to Sophie, she'll try it. Try it, it's lovely.
I mean-
if you like sweet things, you'll like it, yeah?
Oh, no.
That's very nice.
I don't like these. But these are a mystery flavour.
Okay.
Twizzlers.
These are really nice. No? Nice, aren't they?
I can smell these already. The only thing with these, right, I find is they're not very,
It smells like licorice. What flavour is it?
It's
not
mystery
very
flavour.
sweet.
Some dead one. What is this? Allow it. Allow it.
Yeah, that's not a bit of me, that ain't. Don't know. It's like blackcurrant, but not sweet.
Can't even taste it.
I don't.
I
That's
think
not a bit of
it's,
meat.
it's the.
It smells like licorice, but there's no taste. There's no taste of whatsoever, Mish. Is that?
That's why I don't like Twizzlers.
What else have we got?
That's nasty. My favourite, I can't wait to get into these. Cheetos. These are the cheddar jalapeno flavour. Oh yes.
No.
Bit of me.
Yeah, because as you guys know, she likes spice. There, don't you?
Yeah, a bit of me they are.
You still bit like
And I
it,
don't
isn't
know.
it?
Alright.
Yeah? Yeah, see? We know.
Man.
The one thing I don't want to try, we're
You like
going to try.
that,
I see a lot of people doing these, right? And everyone's like, they like them like a little snack. So,
Oh, no, fam.
I'm going to try it, baby.
Oh my god.
Oh my days, why is it?
What flavour is that, Mish?
This is just a dill pickle.
Okay.
You can drink the juice if you want to, Tommy.
No, thank you. You try it?
It's like a giant gherkin. JJ.
Put it in there.
We've got a bite to it, though, haven't we?
No. Chuck it in. It's quite
Try
nice.
it, you gotta try
Tastes
it.
like, it tastes like a you know the gherkins that you get in a McDonald's tin.
Yeah, no survival.
I don't know where the hot one is though.
Is that the hot one?
Why you're hiding it for, so no one can see you biting into it, you know?
No.
What do you think?
What's that bad?
Yeah, that's nice actually.
And this is the zesty garlic
It's a bit salty there, don't
flavour
you think, Jay?
kosher pickle. God. Oh, you can smell that.
This is almost garlic, isn't
This
it?
is stuffed. It's garlicky though.
Yeah, but it's not nice.
Wait, copy your chops that for.
Hmm?
Yeah. That is
That's
nasty.
good, Joe.
Right, to wash it down, we're gonna go with
These are
the
not
Thai.
American.
The Thai lychee drinks with the basil seeds.
Oh my day. Yeah, I'm gonna have a sip each because
can't
I'm
smell it.
sick in my stomach. Come on now. You gotta drink it straight down, kids. There you go.
Well,
Cheers.
I got more than everybody else.
Because you didn't have no gherkin.
That's not fair.
Cheers.
That is really nice.
No, it's
You
not.
like that? I don't like
surprisingly
lychee.
nice.
I don't like lychee. I don't like the seeds in my mouth.
That's nice.
As JJ's doing that, is very nice. That is really nice. You can't even taste the seeds in
You
your
like
mouth.
that,
Misha.
don't you?
That is
Sophie, try a bit of that,
That
babe.
was the deadest drink I've ever had in my
Get a
life.
glass and that.
To be fair, if you like boba tea and stuff like that, the texture of it's not bad. Next, we're going to go with the basil seed and pink guava one.
Well, I have to drink more of that.
Hold on.
Yeah, it's a different one.
Yeah. Alright, so.
That smells quite nice.
That first one was really nice, Misha.
Why is JJ got so
Yeah,
much?
see?
I've got
Cheers.
so little.
Cheers.
That one's really nice as well. Miss, what is wrong with you?
It's like tea.
That one ain't gonna be nice. That one there, the pink one.
This one is a
Tastes like
basil seeds and
tea.
pomegranate.
Pomegranates are alright.
Yeah.
JJ likes that one as well.
Yeah.
Looks like we
I
got to
didn't think
worry
these
about
would be
it.
I didn't think they'd be big fish. That you know that you'd be able to stomach with them. You stop being
Ty's winning it today. Thailand's winning it over the American stuff though.
Mm.
Once again, wow, I got nothing.
What
in
flavour's
there.
this?
I've got
Did you tell him it's
I
from
did,
one,
yeah. That's nice too. They're all nice. Oh my.
It's these little spawn things.
Yeah,
around.
you can't even take.
Oh, these.
This one is rose flavoured.
There might be nice ice in
It's
it, you know.
milkshake Misha with basil seeds.
Rose flavoured. Only put a little bit of this one in, Mum. I don't reckon it's going to be popular.
That would taste like tequila rose.
It smells quite nice actually.
Reckon?
Rose milkshake, yeah.
Oh yeah.
So, in a minute, that time we talking about run to good.
Thank you. Oh, it smells. It smells like flowers.
I'll try that one as well.
It smells. This smells like flowers.
It
Cheers.
smells like
Cheers.
it tastes vile.
Like, iced tea. Oh, yeah.
That's
That's
nasty.
nasty, that is.
That's quite nice actually. I think it's quite
I
nice.
did.
No, it's
JJ
not
did.
one.
I just popped the seed. I swallowed that was in my mouth and spat the seed out.
That's quite nice. But I also got to try Mish.
So, and now we're going to end this with a game.
That is
of
really nice. I
Double
think so.
dares.
No.
And that's how we're going to end it.
Well,
Right, so we've got watermelon or cabbage, tropical or curry, strawberry or chili, cola or dog food, bubblegum or mouthwash, birthday cake or soap. That's the last one. So what we're going to do is put it in the middle and we'll all have one spin each, and then what it lands on, what is what it lands on. Mum,
Okay.
do you want to do the honours and go first? Yes!
Oh, you got the worst.
Mum's
one.
got...
You got the worst one.
I'll hold it down. She landed down at dog food or cola. Dun, dun, dun. Go on, tea.
What? So I've got to eat dog food?
No, you just either dog food flavour or cola flavour.
What? So it's just
One of,
like,
yeah, no, it's one of them ones. Whichever one you pick up. Go on.
got cola.
Ah! Desire, would you like to go next? Wait, no, put it back. Sorry, I'll put it back around to there. You want to spin? Josiah has got bubblegum or mouthwash. Show you
That's
all.
not bad, to be fair.
No,
it's
it's
not that
not.
bad at all. Go on then.
I just don't like jelly
I
beans.
can fucking smell these, they stink.
Got bubble.
What do?
Go on, Jay.
What do the sweets?
Yeah, I can smell it like the... Oh, yeah, dog food. Cabbage or watermelon for JJ.
What did you get? What flavour did you get?
Bubblegum or mouthwash.
Yes.
Bubblegum.
Yeah.
It still doesn't taste very nice, but like.
I think you got. What did you get? Cabbage.
Right, I'm gonna go, yeah?
That's nasty.
You get dog food, I swear.
So I got dog food or cola.
You best get dog food, I swear.
If I do, I'm gonna be sick.
You can't smoke when you're virgin, though. Virgin.
You have to push
Put it in your mouth,
out.
like yeah.
And chew.
It's probably cola.
Chew. Chew.
What did you get? You got cola already. Pass them sweets there. So these kids, pass them. No, them. Yeah.
They're not
No.
sweet.
The other one.
Oh, yeah.
Packet. So the boys are here. So we're going to put this on and then let's get to see who's going to keep it in the mouth the longest.
No, let's see. No reaction. No reaction. No reaction.
You're gonna react.
Tasty one, so
Okay, you can
No
do.
reaction.
you want that?
Yeah.
Don't put it in your mouth until we say, though.
Oh, no.
Don't put it in your mouth until we say.
Daughter Senbei.
They've
What
got,
flavour you
a
want?
bit soft, these are.
Yours is the same with the
No,
one.
they haven't.
They got a bit claggy.
What colour do you want, mate?
Red, please.
No reaction.
Thanks.
Okay. Well then, have a look. Corner.
Has everyone got on?
Wait, and that the one person that keeps it in the mouth the longest.
3.
Wait, I'm
Hold
not
on.
ready yet.
Hurry up then.
So I'll have the
No, yeah, don't.
one. One we
Ready?
can do it together. 1,
2,
2, 3.
Fuck it. Fuck it.
It just gathers in your mouth. Go on then, longer.
That's a sour bit now.
How's it? Are you actually chewing that sweet or? Which one was mine?
No, that's sour.
Fuck off.
Oh, yeah. I can't do that.
Right.
Ah!
I'll spat all over the table. We'll try rest or I can taste that garlic thing.
But it was nice for us to get him in because he doesn't want to be. Jojo, look at the side. He doesn't like to be on the screen. This is vile, mate. So we're going to say, hiya.
See ya.
See ya.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye. They need to learn the outro.
Yeah, no, I don't know.
Dead.
Dead.
That was alright.
Jealous, them jealous. My name is Pashi, I strictly black you see. The cream is my skin, I make it shiny. You cannot what? Stop me.
Can't stop her, she's not ashy either.
I'm a mom, I half of me work with my daughter. Black beauty, that is we. Go to the website and see.
Oh, you've seen, but you ain't showing love. Jealous.
Make